Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Arlo Secure with custom activity notifications, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Arlo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your Arlo account. Navigate to the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the camera you want to configure activity notifications for. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the camera settings. Scroll down to find the Activity Zones option. Tap on Activity Zones to customize the alert areas. Here, you can outline specific zones by tapping the area you want to include or exclude from notifications. Once you've marked the zones, tap Save to save your changes. Next, go back to the Camera Settings menu. Scroll to the Notifications section. Inside Notifications, find the Activity Notifications option. Toggle the switch to enable notifications for the selected camera. You can customize which notifications you wish to receive, such as motion or sound alerts. Now, proceed to the Schedule section if you want to set specific times for notifications. Adjust the schedule according to your preferences, choosing active hours for alerts. After setting the schedule, ensure to save your changes again. If you want to receive notifications on multiple devices, check the Device Settings section. Here, you can select which devices will receive notifications. Review all settings to ensure everything is configured to your liking. Finally, test the notifications by triggering motion in the activity zones. You should receive an alert on your chosen devices if everything is set up correctly. This completes the configuration for custom activity notifications in Arlo Secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.